Animals. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees live in forest and rainforest in Africa. Chimps walk using the backs of their hands to help them move. Chimps live in family groups of about 100 members. Males stay with the same group. Grown females leave and join other groups. Chimps use their bodies and faces to show what they want. They express feelings by grooming, kissing, and clapping. Did you know? Chimps make tools from sticks, rocks, and grasses. Tools are used for eating, hunting, and even fighting. Gorilla. Gorillas live in rainforest of Africa. A group of gorillas is a troop. A strong male leads the troop. Silver hair on his back marks him as leader. The silverback decides where to eat and sleep. He protects the females and young gorillas in the troop. He must keep other silverbacks away. Gorillas sleep in nests of branches and leaves. They change nest every night. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Their neck and legs are the same length. Spotted brown and tan fur covers their bodies. The spots are different shapes. Giraffes live south of the Sahara Desert in Africa. They roam the grasslands looking for leaves to eat. Male giraffes are bulls. Females or cows give birth to a baby giraffe or calf. It can walk soon after it is born. Did you know the giraffe's tongue is bluish black in color? Its tongue is as long as the width of a child's bicycle wheel. Rhinoceros. The word rhinoceros means horn nose. Rhinos live in the grasslands, swamps, and rainforest of Africa and India. White and black rhinos are the same brownish-gray color. It's not known why they are named differently. White rhinos have a wider mouth to eat grass. The black rhino's narrow mouth pulls leaves of shrubs. Rhinos run at 40 miles per hour. A group of rhinos is sometimes called a crash. Lion. Lions live in Africa and India in grasslands or open woodlands. Lions live in groups called prides. Male lions live with female lionesses and their cubs. Females care for their young for 2 years. Females stay with the pride for life, and males stay part of the time. The lionesses take turns hunting. Males protect the pride. Most of the lion's day is spent sleeping and resting. Bear. Bears are found in the Americas, Asia, and Europe. They live in mountains, forests, and plains, and on the frozen shorelines of the Arctic. Bears eat grasses, roots, berries, and insects. They also eat fish and meat. Grizzlies are the largest. Polar bears live in the Arctic. They feed on fish and meat. Pandas mostly eat bamboo. Bears live alone, except when the female sows are with cubs. Did you know Newborn bears make a loud humming noise. Scientists think it helps the mother make milk. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus lives near the lakes, slow rivers, and grasslands of Africa. The hippo is the second heaviest land mammal. Its eyes, ears, and nose sit high on its head. That is so it can see, hear, and breathe. When it goes underwater, a hippo can hold its breath for 5 minutes, but it can't swim. Hippos gallop along the riverbed instead. Female cows and male bulls live in herds. Did you know a hippo can go up to 2 weeks without eating? It can save grass in its stomach. Elephant. Elephants live in Africa and Asia. They look alike, but Asian elephants have smaller ears. African elephants live in the grasslands. Asian elephants live near forest. Elephants can fan their ears to cool off. Their trunk is a nose and lip. The trunk has more muscles than the human body. Tusks protect elephants and help them lift. A baby elephant is a calf. It is 3 feet tall when born. Meerkat. Meerkats live underground in dry, brushy parts of Africa. They live in burrows. These burrows were dug by other animals. The burrows have many holes. Several families live together. This group is called a mob. Adults guard the home. Others look for food or care for the young. A guard meerkat barks or whistles if danger comes. Then the meerkats rush to the nearest burrow and dive in. Did you know meerkats eat scorpions and poisonous snakes? The poison or venom does not bother the meerkat when bitten. Rabbit. Long ears help rabbits hear well, but their ears also cool them off. Rabbits once lived only in Europe. They were taken by people to other places and set loose. Rabbits soon spread to grasslands on most continents. Rabbits live in burrows underground. Females or does line the nest with their own fur for their young, called kittens. Male rabbits are bucks. Rabbits signal with their tails. Did you know a rabbit's teeth grow its whole life when it chews rough plants? This helps grind down the teeth. Zebra. In Africa, zebras live in herds. They eat grass on the wide grasslands. Each zebra has a different pattern of stripes. Big cats can't see a single zebra in a herd very well. They all blend together. This protects them. A male zebra is a stallion. The female omars have foal or baby zebra. They are members of the horse family but can't be trained to work. Camel. Bactrian camels have 2 humps. They live in parts of Asia. They can be wild or tamed. Dromedary camels have 1 hump. They live in the Middle East. Camels live in desert areas. They carry loads and people across the wide deserts and dry plains. Thick eyelashes and a clear skin over the eyeball protect their eyes from blowing sand. Camels rock from side to side when walking. Did you know a camel can dry a lot of water at one time? It can drink enough to fill an average outdoor trash can. Mouse. Mice live almost everywhere in the world. They nest anywhere they can find shelter. There are many different kinds of mice. Male mice are bucks. When only 45 days old, the females or does can have babies called pinkies or kittens. A doe might have more than 100 pinkies per year. Those mice grow and have pinkies. That's why there are so many mice. Did you know, from the tip of its tail to its nose, the pygmy mouse is only a little longer than a new crayon? Deer. The deer family includes moose, elk, and many types of deer. Herds of deer live all over the world in rainforest, forest and the frozen north. They eat tree leaves, plant shoots, and twigs at dawn and dusk. Most males or bucks grow antlers. Antlers grow very fast but are shed each year. The females, called does, have 1 to 3 fawns in the spring. Tiger. Tigers are found in small sections of Asia. They live alone in rainforest and other drier forest. They are the largest members of the cat family. Their fur is striped and each pattern is different. They leave scent trails and scratch trees in their region. These marks let other tigers know who they are. They know all the other tigers in the area. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They are part of the cat family. They live in the grasslands and plains of Africa and Iran. They can run up to 70 miles per hour. They chase animals for food. They can't run for a long time. It takes 20 minutes for them to breathe normally and cool off. Cheetahs live alone. Cubs stay with their mothers for about 18 months. Did you know, of all the cats, the cheetah is the only one that can run around in meadow? Chipmunk. Chipmunks are related to squirrels and live in North Africa. Some live in trees while others live in burrows. They have stripes down their backs. They store food in their cheek pouches to carry it. When afraid, chipmunks run with their tails up straight. They call in a high repeated sound. They store food in their nest. They hibernate but wake to eat sometimes. Did you know the chipmunk is the smallest in the squirrel family? All but one kind of chipmunk live in North America. Squirrel. Squirrels live everywhere except Australia and Antarctica. They live in trees or underground. Some squirrels whistle to warn others of danger. Squirrels can be as small as 4 inches or as big as 3 feet long. Flying squirrels don't fly, they glide through the air. Flaps of skin between their front and back legs let them glide. Squirrels nest in trees or holes in the trunks. Raccoon. The best known type of raccoon lives in North America. Raccoons live everywhere near water. Most of what they eat is in water. They use their quick paws to catch frogs and crayfish. They also eat insects and bird eggs. Raccoons move about in forests, marshes, prairies, and cities to hunt. The female or sow makes a nest in tree holes or fallen logs for her cubs.